In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your own photo to create this type of magic portal effect in Canva. So first of all, I have a picture here, guy standing in a green field. You can use your own photo. After adding to the design, you just need to go to the edit option, then go to the adjust and decrease the brightness here and just slightly increase the contrast. Then go to the elements option and search for frames here. Then try to choose a circle frame here. Then drag it to the design. Now adjust to the design here. After that, you just need to go to the upload option. Then add the second picture that you want to use in the portal. Choose the photo in the portal. Go to edit option. Go to the adjust and increase the brightness and also increase the saturation. Then go to the elements again and search for a neon portal here. Search for neon portal. Now go to the graphics. Now you can find lots of neon portal here. You can use any of the portal from your choice, but I'm just going to choose the simple one. Then add it to the design. Then adjust the size of the frame here. After adjusting the size, you just need to go to the upload option and again take the original picture, then add it to the design and crop it to the full picture. Then choose the design and remove the background. Then just choose the background design, go to the edit, go to the adjust and decrease the brightness. And that's it. Now get the final result here. So that's it guys, this is how you can create a portal magic effect with Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.